Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of money. Not just how to earn it, but how to truly understand it. We're breaking down the key lessons from the book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. And I promise to keep things simple and relatable. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a fresh perspective on your finances, these lessons might change the way you think about money. Let's get started. First up, no one's crazy. Housel reminds us that every financial decision we make comes from our unique experiences. What might seem like a strange choice to one person can be completely logical to another. This means that your story, your upbringing, your successes, your failures, shapes how you view money. Instead of judging others or even yourself harshly for financial decisions, remember that everyone is doing the best they can with what they know. Next, let's talk about luck and risk. In life and finance, a lot is out of our control. Sometimes you'll be in the right place at the right time, and other times, unexpected risks can throw you off course. Housel teaches us to be humble about our successes and prepared for setbacks. By accepting that both luck and risk play big roles, you can build a more balanced approach to saving, investing, and planning for the future. Now let's discuss saving. The book emphasizes that saving is far more powerful than just earning more. It's not about having a high income, it's about living below your means and saving consistently. When you save, you create financial freedom, a buffer that can protect you in tough times and give you the flexibility to seize opportunities. Even small amounts can add up over time, and that habit of saving is a foundation for building lasting wealth. One of the most powerful ideas in finance is the magic of compounding. Think of it like planting a seed that grows into a tree over time. Even if you start with a small amount, if you let it grow, your money earns money, and that growth accelerates over the years. Housel reminds us that starting early, even if you start small, can make a huge difference in the long run. It's one of the reasons why patience is such a critical ingredient in financial success. Here's a big one. There's a big difference between getting wealthy and staying wealthy. Building wealth often involves taking risks and seizing opportunities, but keeping that wealth requires a different mindset. It means managing risk, staying humble, and sometimes even sacrificing short-term pleasures for long-term stability. Housel suggests that the strategies for preserving wealth, like maintaining low expenses and having a diversified portfolio, are as important as those for accumulating it. Another key lesson is that you don't have to be perfectly rational with your money all the time. In other words, being reasonable can be better than being mathematically perfect. Life isn't just about numbers, it's also about your values, your comfort level, and your personal goals. So instead of trying to optimize every single decision, aim for choices that feel right and sustainable for you. It's about finding balance and peace of mind in your financial journey. Lastly, let's talk about time. Time is one of your greatest allies when it comes to money. Whether it's through the power of compounding or simply giving your investments room to grow, a long-term perspective can help you ride out the ups and downs. Housel emphasizes that the key to overcoming short-term volatility is patience. In a world that's obsessed with quick fixes, embracing a slow and steady approach can often lead to the best results. So how do you apply these lessons in everyday life? Here are a few simple steps. Save regularly. Make saving a habit, even if it's just a little bit each month. Plan for uncertainty. Accept that luck and risk will always play a part in your financial journey. Think long-term. Start investing early and give your money time to grow. Balance your decisions. Strive to make reasonable choices that align with your personal goals instead of chasing perfection. Learn from your story. Understand how your experiences shape your decisions and be open to learning and evolving. To wrap up, The Psychology of Money offers timeless lessons that go beyond traditional financial advice. It's about understanding your personal relationship with money, embracing patience, and recognizing that success isn't just measured in dollars, but in the peace and freedom that comes from wise financial choices. I hope these simple lessons give you a fresh perspective and motivate you to take control of your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment below with your favorite lesson, and subscribe for more insights on personal finance and self-improvement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.